Hey y'all, it's Khadija, and I am back with another video.
Look at my wrist, I got time today. Fuck it, I'm crossing the line today.
So, as y'all can see by the title, in today's video, I'm gonna be giving y'all like a mini Shein haul. I say mini because it's like a good amount of stuff. It's not a lot, which is okay. But Shein and a little Fashionnova. I got two things from Fashionnova. Why am I talking so fast? I got two things from Fashionnova, and then the rest of my stuff is from Shein. So let me show y'all. One thing I'm gonna return. I just got this stuff today, so it's like I don't know, but one of these I'm gonna return because it's like too big. Y'all gonna see, but I took the stuff out of the bags, y'all. So we ain't gonna act like I did that, but it's the clothes. So yeah, let's get into the video. Alright, so just because I only have two Fashionnova things, I'm gonna do Fashionnova first. So from Fashionnova, I just got this Ed Hardy like what's it called, sweatsuit, I guess. Oh, this is the bag, but y'all, this is so cute. I wore it to school. Everybody was telling me I thought it was cute. Like, this is so cute. But here go the back of the pants. Excuse me, I'm a little sick. And this is the front of the pants. It's real simple, but it's so cute. Like, and then the shirt just matched with the pants. Like, it got the same exact thing on it. But the shirt got like little diamonds on it. The sparkle is so cute. And this is the back of the shirt. So yeah, I might try this one. So let me put the camera down a little bit. Okay, so this is the shirt, as y'all can see. Super cute, super cute. The little label on the pants. And it's the back. It's so cute. Like, I love it. This is so cute, y'all. I'm starting to like Ed Hardy now. I got another Ed Hardy shirt, but I got that from, I think, Marshalls, I believe. But now we're gonna move on to the Shein stuff because this is the Fashionnova outfit that I got. So we'll move on to the Shein clothes. Let's start off with, most of these are just shirts. I only got two pairs of pants and then the rest is shirts because, I don't know, I'm trying to get more shirts. I already got a bunch of leggings and all that. And all I'm really into is leggings. I don't wear, like, them fancy pants, cargos and all that. I don't know. I'm gonna start. But for right now, that's not what we doing. But anyways, I got these gray leggings. Y'all, these are so cute. I got gray and black. I'm about to try them on. But I got these gray leggings from Shein. And we're gonna try these on first. These are the gray leggings. They actually cute with this shirt. I don't know. But they cute with this shirt. As y'all can see, stopping my ankles. I like the color though. These are so cute. And they got soft, what's it called? And the inside, fleece or whatever. And the inside, it's so cute. So yeah, I just got the same ones in black. So I'm gonna put them on, then I'm gonna be back with y'all. Y'all, I'm gonna take the tags off of all these clothes. Don't worry. I just didn't take them off yet because I gotta return some stuff and I'm trying to figure everything out. But yeah, these are the black ones. Like I said, they look exactly like the gray ones. They're the same leggings. They just in black. So the next thing I'm gonna show y'all. Y'all, when I tell y'all this is my favorite shirt, I got this from Shein. Y'all, this is so cute. I seen this on a picture. I already knew it was gonna be cute. Like, y'all, this is so cute. It's a classic inheritance. And I think it say give in the back. If correct. Don't mind my house. It's a little loud in here, but it's always loud. So it ain't nothing new for me. But yeah, this is the shirt, so let me try it on. It says whatever. I just said what it said, but I forgot what it said. Classic inheritance, yeah. And it's pink and white. Yo, this is so cute. And I got some like pink cross and pink bubble slides that'll probably match with this. But like, I don't know. It's just something about it that's so cute. Like, I don't know. It's just cute. So yeah, let's move on to the next shirt. So this is the next shirt. So it says it's not that deep. It's so cute. I figured out that first of all in a picture they had this as the first picture, like it was the front. Why is this the back of the shirt? Like I ain't even noticed, but when I put it on, I put this on like it was the front. I'm like, oh, this is cute. Whole time the tag is in the front. I'm like, yo. But I turned it around, you can't really notice. So I guess you can wear it either way. It's just a little like lower cut in the front. So it's gonna look weird from the back. But yeah, let me show you what this look like. I'm messing up my hair and all that from the shirt, y'all. Don't mind that. But yeah, I came to find out that there was the back of the shirt. So here you go. This is what it say. It's not that deep. I mean, it's still cute, but like, I feel like it would have been cuter if it was on the front of the shirt. But it's different, so I ain't even complaining about it. Cause like, it ain't even that bad. This shirt, I like it, but I don't. Like, here we go. It's saying, what it say? I can't read the word in the middle, but it say brand name. And the back say reckless with a little spider on it. Y'all, this is cute. But when I put it on, like the way it fits just don't, I don't know. I don't like the way it fit. Like, it's big and small at the same time. If y'all get what I'm saying. Y'all gotta see. But yeah, let's try this shirt on. Like, y'all see what I'm talking about? Like, it's tight, but it's big at the same time. Like, it's tight at the top, and I don't like that. I don't know. Something about it just throws me off. But so this is the shirt, and then this is the back of the shirt. I think y'all can see. But yeah, like, it's tight at the top, and then like flowy down here. I don't know. Maybe it's just me. My sister said it's just me, but I don't like how this looks on me. It look a little, I don't know. Maybe it do look cute. Yeah, maybe it's just me, because now I kind of like it. But anyways, this pink shirt that I got, it says, what is that? Solitude? Something like that. But yo, this is so cute. Like, I don't really have bright colors. I probably got like one pink shirt in my whole closet. Like, that's bad. I like to have bright colors because I always wear black, tan, gray. I had to try on this shirt. This is the pink shirt. This is cute. Like, I actually love this shirt. It's so cute. Is there anything on the back? No, it's nothing on the back, but this is cute. Like, it's so cute. I like the color. Like, it's a real vibrant color. Like, and this color look good on me. Like, I don't know. So I got one more shirt left, and then I got a little set. I'm gonna show y'all. It's this purple shirt. It say, what do you say? Live in the moment. This is one of my favorite shirts too, y'all. This is so cute. So yeah, the story behind this, I was gonna get a silver purse to match this. I'm pretty sure I know the silver purse from Shein that everybody's wearing. It's like a, what is it called? Like a little square. It's a square, but it's a silver purse from Shein that everybody's wearing. I was gonna get it, and then I forgot to put it in the cart, and then I never got ordered. Yeah. So I just never got it, but I'm gonna get it to match the shirt because it's literally like this same color, and them two together, they're gonna be cute. So yeah, let's try this one. I'm trying to wrap this video up because I'm getting tired and it's getting hot. And it's almost 8 o'clock. So, and I got school tomorrow. But anyways, this is the purple shirt. Say live in the moment. It's cute. I like it. It fits good. All these shirts fit good except for the tan one. I feel like it fit a little too loose. But I looked at the pictures and the girl with a large hers look the same, so I think that's just how the shirt is like made, if you know what I mean. But yeah, then it's the back or whatever. Cute, cute. Now let me show y'all. This is the set I was talking about that's too big, but it's cute. Like, I want to keep it, but it's too big. I'm gonna get another one. I'm gonna get the same one just in a smaller size. It look long right now, but it's really not. But it's like, it look long, but it's really not. And it's a little cardigan that go with it. Let me put it on because it look weird off. This is the next outfit. This is like a set. It's cute, but y'all see how it's like baggy right here? And it's just not like, on the picture it's supposed to be fitted. It's supposed to be more like this rather than it being, you know, see? It's supposed to be more like this rather than it being all baggy. That's how I want it to be. So I'm gonna probably order an extra small or a small, because this just didn't come out right. The cardigan is cool. It's just real long. Like, it go all the way down to my feet. So I wasn't expecting it to be that long, but it's still cute. Like, and I could wear this by itself. But I'm gonna return this and probably get a small. Cause I don't know, it's just not giving this way. Like, but it's cute. I just need a smaller size, but that's about it. But yeah, that's the end of the video. Cause now I'm just tired and hot. And I'm sick, so I'm not really feeling the best. But that was it for the clothes. This is a little mini Shein haul. I'm gonna probably have more hauls coming because right now I'm in the process of ordering like summer stuff. Cause you know summer's coming up, and I had to have a new wardrobe for summer. Like, my whole family, we just order new clothes when summer come back, when winter come back. Any type of season that comes up, me and my family go order clothes. Because we just want a new wardrobe. Like, who want the same summer clothes from last year? That sounds spoiled, but y'all know what I mean. Y'all know what I mean. I ain't spoiled at all. That's the end of this video. I'm gonna probably put the shirts and the prices on the top of the screen. And I'll put the links to the shirts and all that in the description, so y'all can click on a link if y'all want the shirt or whatever. And this set, I'm putting a link to this set and a link to the leggings. I'm gonna put the link to everything in the description and the prices and the picture on the screen. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the bell so that y'all know next time I post.
Are you on